And you say I have received a package in the mail today, which is my Microsoft Virtual PC 2004. Either the service, either the standard version or the Service Pack 1 version. So, alright, so downstairs I'm going to be using this Torx screwdriver to open this box. Oh, I got it. See? It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, I gotta plug my device in. I have the ringer turn off, so this is gonna. Here. Alright, I got it. It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, here it is. Microsoft Virtual PC version 2004. Alright, back again. Sorry, it was cut because there was not enough free space, so I had to delete the video. Some videos that I have saved are already bored to the computer, so right here. You see? See, and this says designed for hold on, this camera's a little real. Let me stop the video. Alright, now I'm back here. Now, it says designed for Windows XP and Windows 2000. See? And now it's all better. So it's VC, so this code that came with it, made in Puerto Rico. I might also make a video how to install this. So install it. I don't think this can work on. It can work on Windows 7. This doesn't really work on Windows 7 or 10. It only works on Windows XP or later. So. Oh yeah, so I might upload the gas editions ISO from this and put it on Google Drive for you guys to download for Virtual PC 2007. And now let's open the box. Here's the manuals and where does this come out? Because there's one manual, and here's the thing. Just don't look at the key. It's private. Getting started comes this manual it came with. It says do not make illegal copies of this software. If you do, because you can get in trouble for that. It's against the law. It comes as end users agreements. I usually put them in there. Those latest boards from ever seeing these in packaging. I think I'm going to keep this box. I'll put in a safer spot. And it comes with a DVD case, so Virtual PC runs multiple operating systems, you know, on one PC. So I might find a way I can run through each apps. Yeah, it may work. So yeah. Well, there you have it. The Virtual PC 2004. So that's it for this video. So I'll see if I can make a video of how to install this software sooner or later. So yeah. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.